Here's how to fix if your iPhone has a buzzing or popping sound. Now, if you're trying to listen to a video or maybe you're on a call, but it keeps bopping or buzzing or crackling, they're just kind of weird sounds coming from your iPhone speakers. I'll show you how to fix that. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is a couple steps on your phone itself. So let's hop into these settings. And the first thing we'll do is tap on General and Software Update. This is a common thing that will fix a lot of bugs a lot of times. It's just to update the iOS operating system to a new operating system. The iOS 18.1 is the latest one right now. So just update your phone to the latest version. Now, another thing that you can do is if there's basically weird sounds coming through, sometimes there's a physical obstruction in the speakers themselves. So the speakers at the very bottom and the speaker at the very top. So you might want to take the case off of your iPhone and maybe take a little toothpick or something and very gently clear out those speakers at the bottom and the top. Sometimes if there's lint or something in there, it will just kind of reverberate around and create these weird sounds like crackling or buzzing or anything like that. It won't be a crisp, clear sound. Now, if that still doesn't fix it, let's head back into your settings here. Let's go back here and under General at the very bottom, you're just going to tap on Shut Down. So turn off your phone completely and reboot it. So essentially reboot the iOS operating system. Sometimes there's maybe a bug or glitch in this version or instance of your operating system, but just by restarting it helps to fix any of those issues. The next thing that I would recommend doing is we're going to swipe down from the top right. And we're going to do basically toggling off the Bluetooth Wi-Fi. And then I would recommend on here basically turning this sound volume all the way up to the very top. So essentially we've disconnected from everything else. And now we've turned the volume all the way up. The next thing we'll do is we'll go back here and we will go to Sounds and Haptics. And you can see here, ringtone and alerts, we're going to turn this volume all the way up just like that as well. So we've turned up all of the volume here on both the ringtone as well as the volume for various sounds like videos, stuff like that. And then the next thing we'll do is go back, tap on accessibility, and then we'll scroll down to audio and visual. Tap on that. And on here, you're going to make sure that mono audio is turned off. And on here, a couple other things. You can see balance. If the balance is way off on one side, maybe there's too much sound going to one speaker, maybe your right speaker or left speaker. So essentially put that in the middle there. And then you can see voice isolation. Sometimes this causes issues when you're on a call. The voice isolation just isn't working very well. So if that's toggled on, you might just want to toggle that off. Now, if you go through all of these steps, basically you've made sure there's no physical obstruction in the speakers themselves. You've done everything on the settings. You've rebooted your phone. You updated the iOS operating system. Then at this point, if you're still having that crackling or popping sound or buzzing sound or anything like that, you want to take it into the Apple Store. They'll plug it in, run some diagnostics, and they'll tell you maybe there's an issue with the speaker itself. Maybe you need to replace your iPhone or just replace the speakers within your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.